So we will discuss how to write numbers from 1 to 100 in Roman. Okay. So since we can see that the value of C is 100 here, so we will use Roman numbers I, V, X, L and to C. We will use these numerals to write numbers. What numerals? I, V, X, L and C. Generally these alphabets or these Roman numerals are used to write numbers from 1 to 100 because 100 is represented by C. So we'll take the numbers from 1 up to C. Okay. Now while writing the numbers, we follow certain rules. Okay. So we must know about those rules in order to form the numbers using these Roman numerals. Okay. So rule number 1. Rule number one is that the numerals I and X, numerals I and X can be repeated. While writing numbers, I and X can be repeated. Okay. Maximum how many times? Up to maximum 3 times. We cannot repeat either of I or X more than 3 times. Okay. For example, we know that I means 1. If you write I, this means 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. If you have to write 3, I, 3, which will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 3. If you talk about X, if you write X, we know that it is 10, value of X is 10. If we repeat X and X, it's 10 plus 10, 20. This will be like 10 plus 10, which is 20. If you have to write 30, 10 plus 10 plus 10, which will be 30. Okay, so only I and X are repeated, and at most we can repeat them up to 3 times. Okay, while writing numbers, must remember that V, L, C, these numerals do not repeat. What can repeat? It's only I and X in this way. Okay. Rule number 2. Okay. It says that if we write a smaller numeral after a bigger numeral, then the smaller numeral will be added. A smaller numeral written after a bigger numeral is added. So what is the meaning? For example, this is what? 5. V means 5. So if you write a smaller numeral than 5, that is I. That means what? It is 5. I is written after 5, na? So 5 plus 1, which will be 6. Similarly, if you write VII, so 5 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 7. Okay. So for example, we take X. Value of X is 10. If we write 5 here, v here, this will be what? 10 plus 5, that is 15. That means v is a smaller numeral, x is a bigger numeral. So if v is written after x, that means this part is added to this. Okay, so 10 plus 5 is 15. How will we write 18? 18 will be x 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, there's no other way. This is our 8. 8 is after 10, so 10 plus 8 is 18. Okay, so that means a smaller numeral written after a bigger numeral is added. Okay, smaller numeral written after a bigger numeral is added. Rule number 3. Rule number 3 says that a smaller numeral written written before a bigger numeral is subtracted. A smaller numeral written before a bigger numeral is subtracted. Okay, so we know that v is our 5. If we write I before v, that means what? 5 minus 1, which is nothing but 5 minus 1. This smaller numeral is subtracted from the bigger numeral. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4 is written like this, IV. Okay, similarly before 10, if we write I, it is what? 10 minus 1, how much it is? 9. Okay, similarly suppose we have number C. C means what? Yes, C means century, 100. So before C, if we write 10, that means what? It has value of 100 and it has value of 10. 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 will be 90. Okay. So in this way, if a smaller numeral is written before a bigger numeral, then that smaller numeral is subtracted from that. This is bigger, so from this we will subtract this, only if it is before. Okay, smaller numeral after will be added and smaller numeral before will be subtracted. Okay. Rule 4. Rule 4 is that a smaller numeral between two bigger numeral. If we have a smaller numeral between two bigger numeral, then it is subtracted from the numeral on the right. Means, suppose, let's take an example. Suppose we have two bigger numerals, x and 5. In between them we have a smaller numeral I. Then according to our rule number 2, this I should be added to 10, this one should be added to 10, or according to rule number 3, this one should be subtracted from 5. So what do we choose? We will choose this one, which is on the right hand side. That means we have to subtract 1 from 5. So ultimately this number will become what? First of all, we have 10. 10 plus whatever it is, 10 plus something. We know that 10 plus something is there. And what is that something? That something is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. Okay. So 5 minus 1 is what? 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 14 is written like this. Okay. So let us take another example. Say what about this number? Pause the video and try it. Okay. Then you come back, play again to see the solution. Pause the video. Okay. Have you tried? How much you've got? So let's check. So 10, 10, 10. Then we have this I over here, this smaller numeral. And then again we have a 10. So first what we will do, 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10. Obviously they're repeated. So we'll add them. 10 plus 10 plus 10. So the moment we see that I is there, so is I is not subtracted, 1 is not subtracted from this 30, this part, but rather it will subtract from this 10 plus this will be what? 10 minus 1, which is what? 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30, plus 10 minus 1, 9, which is 39. Okay, let us take another example. I hope you will be able to do this by yourself by now. LIX. Okay, what is the value of L? The value of L is 50. Okay, so what we can see that after 50 something is there. Okay, this much I have told you. Now try to pause the video and do it yourself. Then again come to see the solution. First you try, pause it. Okay, have you tried? Let's see. So this value is 50. That means 50 plus something. That something is nothing but 10 minus 1. Okay, so 50 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, so 59. So 59 is written in this form. Okay, now we will talk about some special rules. Special rules are that rule number 1, this value of I, the 1 can be subtracted from 5 and 10. 1 can be subtracted from 5 and 10. Okay, rule number 2, 10 can be subtracted from 50. L means 50 and C means 100. 10 can be subtracted from 50 and 100. And rule number 3 is super special. Okay, that means 5 and 50 are never subtracted. That means while forming numbers we never subtract 5 and 50. You'll never see anywhere where 5 is subtracted or 50 is subtracted. Okay, 5 and 50 are always added. I'm sorry, this 50 should be actually L. Okay, since we're talking about Roman numbers, 5 and 50. Okay, this 50 should be L, not 50. This is Hindu Arabic. We are studying about Roman numbers. Okay, don't make this mistake. Okay, thank you.